What you doing to this, Tim?
I'm fixing this screw up.
Whose screw up? Didn't you put it on there?
Yeah, because I didn't have the right one.
No.
It don't like the big planes.
Show us your bigger one. Show us your new one. Not sure that's any bigger. Oh.
Now we're comparing sizes. Doesn't sound good from here.
Yep. That'll probably hold up better today on that rough landings.
Yeah.
Gonna have any rough landings?
No.
What is this, Dave?
C-47 with the brakes locked on.
Unlock them.
No, I might end up throwing it.
Somebody forgot to.
Oh, it's falling on its nose without even giving any throttle. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You want a combo? There we go.
It's kind of quiet. Yeah, it will be kind of interesting, won't it? Because it's going to stop.
Just catch it.
Oh, Tim's real good at that. He'll go out there and catch it for you.
How stupid can I be?
Have we ever seen any around here? I don't remember seeing any.
Years I've come out here, I've seen a deer. I've never even seen no deer shit anywhere.
A deer, a deer.
Wow, gotta get my... Wow, it is slowing it down.
Come on. Hey.
Oh! You found a nice short grass out there. Whoops.
We're going to get it. Well, there must be more than one size in that room. Put that in. 4 millimeter. Which one's best?
Looks like you're about ready for a test flight.
No, not as long as the wind's blowing, it ain't.
It ain't blowing that bad.
Well, I'll tell you
It
what.
flew in this the last time.
But a professional pilot flew it.
Oh,
Remember?
yeah. It wasn't Tim.
Yeah.
Yo.
Hang on to the inch you cut off of that.
Okay. Hey, I wonder if it'll fit in there.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking too. You might need that for garden.
Wow. Hop, skipping, and jumping. It was in the air.
Yeah. Got a little help.
Woo! I think you're aimed this way. Yeah.
It turned itself around, I think.
Is the transmitter blocking the wind maybe just enough? Well, no, it's coming from that way. So it's coming from the end.
Oh, that even sits better.
Looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Got a nice stance.
Your pilot's still got his mouth wide open though. He's still scared. But they had 153 mile per hour on it.
Okay, we just had somebody come back to the bean field.
And I've got that plane.
This, sitting up here on the stand. I'll go run it up. Oh, that's mine. I'm looking for that.
dogs before I leave. We've been leaving that husky there by it with just the 3 dogs and letting them run. Once they get done tracking all the mud in, you have to change everything over. It's even funner as a
Uh-oh.
Run, Jeff, run! What'd you do that for? I didn't even see it go down. Is it on the field? Oh, yeah.
Just right at the very edge. I can see it. I don't think there's anything broke though. Ah, there it comes back. I'm disappointed.
I can't believe that thing runs in the grass that well.
It's doing pretty good, isn't it?
Well, maybe the tires are on that.
Hey Jeff, is this your first time?
First flight? No, this is second flight.
Who recorded the first flight?
You did.
I did? You didn't crash it?
Yeah, you complained about, you saw the aileron fluttering.
Oh.
I used the stock aileron stuff on it, which was junk. It was so loose in it, the ailerons were just real loose and fluttered. So I switched it to servos on each wing.
You know, you're supposed to fill that to the filter side, not the other side.
If I filled it on this end, then the dirt would be filtered in on this side, so that it would pump it right into the carburetor. So it's going on the back side of the filter. So if it does put anything in it, it goes through, it has to go through the filter.
Okay.
It's stopped.
My bad. I just checking. See if you're paying attention.
You just tested me, wouldn't you?
Yes, I was. There's Larry.
Might need a transmitter.
Yeah, that would probably help.
Yes, Larry is fine.
Wouldn't take much to take off the ground either.
See that rudder?
Yeah. Go get that bird. Must be too far out.
Wow, that's pretty fast.
That thing, oh, that's going
It's not fluttering. Couldn't fly it fast last week.
right.
2 weeks ago. Oh, look at all the
Oh, go
buzzards
get him
out
now.
there.
Leave the wildlife alone.
God damn, that's wild. Yeah. Ah, hit me in the neck.
It's kind of funny
Why
when
are they bothering me while I'm flying?
because we're out in the sun.
Oh, that's why. Oh, that's why.
Yep, they're probably flying around saying, "Ah, I smell shit. Oh, I see shit. Oh, look, it tastes like shit."
Oh shit! I switched it to dual servos and it cured it anyways.
What do you expect from $50? You think?
Yeah. That's $50, $55 shipped. That ain't even include shipping for this.
Wow.
GWS
Ow,
planes
son of a
are
bitch.
showing up on eBay now pretty cheap.
Are they?
I just bought 2 jets, an F-15 and a J-10, $39 a piece plus shipping. Has the fan units with it with brushless motors.
Wow.
I didn't know GWS had brushless motors in anything.
I didn't even know. I thought GWS went out of business a long time
They
ago.
did. That's why the planes are showing up.
Hey, there's a bird right above us.
That's why the stuff's showing up cheap.
Oh. And I'm watching. You'll make it. You'll make it.
Yeah.
You made it.
That quit. I guess I need a little bit more throttle. Oh, I don't have it anymore. That's all the trim. I'll tell you what, don't look over here at Tim. That reflection off that shiny head's blinding.
Why don't you stand out in the middle of the field?
Down here lower, Tim. Wow. You aren't going to try to hit me, are you?
I wouldn't do that.
Now he's lying.
I was far enough away from you.
Yeah,
Unless the wind.
but it was kind of scary because it was going fast.
I
The wind's slowed down enough that the deer flies can get you now.
Yeah.
They're hitting me.
It slowed down since I went up there because I was just hanging up there. Now you can't hardly hang.
Wow. Tim's not going any slower though.
know. I'm not even moving my until I turn, then I have to.
Something go down.
Somebody crashed? Holy!
You're awake, Jeff.
It's a little tricky downwind, isn't it, Doug? That's exactly how Tim flew when he came down over.
I had control of mine where I wanted to go out because I was going to hit somebody.
I had mine under control.
Well,
You did?
I did.
Didn't look like it.
Oh yeah, I did.
I don't think you had that under control.
Did I hit you?
No?
Then I had it under control.
I don't think so. That was under control.
I smell it.
Get the wind behind you.
Jeff.
Yep.
Are you gonna crash it?
I don't plan on it.
Ralph, wake up, Ralph.
But it is pretty windy today.
You won't crash it. I got faith in you.
I was just getting ready to say,
You think he will?
everybody else talks in ounces to balance, and he talks
We'll
in
see.
cents.
Yeah. 25 cents. Only you.
How many cents is that?
25.
No, that ain't what I wanted to say. Ounces.
Hey,
Ounces? Hell, I don't know.
well that's not even 25 cents nowadays.
I'm having trouble holding it on the...
That's probably only worth 20 cents.
If that.
If that. Yeah, if that. Well, you know, you need to change that connector. That way, you ain't got that wind drag on the bottom.
I think that's what he has worries right now.
You want me to throw it while I try to film it?
Yep.
Oh, I can do that. Straight into the ground, I can do that.
Yeah. That thing's with that solid light, I forgot it's supposed to be charged, but I don't know what's going on because it flashes if it's low.
I did I unplug
I'm
it?
going to live through that flight.
I'll tell you what, it's flashing just a minute ago.
It was?
Oh, and I put it back on, I unhooked the wrong one. So it's done charging.
Okay.
I went to unhook it and then
Already
Jeff
close to
interrupted
that.
me about
Yeah, I
the,
noticed that when you put that down.
what'd you do now?
Had to move that out of the way. It was hanging out there. It was getting ready to get cut off.
Oh. Let's go, Jeffrey.
You got 2212s in there?
Strong.
But I only got 6.3 props when we usually run 6.4.
Yeah.
I just wanted to reduce the load of the battery. But I need some. Oh yeah.
You put it last summer. That's something.
I'm filming and I'm gonna throw it. I'll throw it straight up, Jeff.
That'll work.
Sound like the battery's dead already. Woo, 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 woo. Wow, you fly like Larry. Lower, Jeffrey, lower.
Just thinking if I switch that to the 6 floor prop.
Oh my God, that thing would haul. It does pretty good in the wind now. I think it'd be jumping around like a donkey. Hey, let Larry fly it. He can bring it down close to the ground, upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
He's got his own plane though. He's got a new one of these also.
I don't think Jeff trusts you, Larry.
Not when he already told me what he's gonna do.
No, that was
Inverted part.
that was my suggestion.
Oh yeah. Larry agreed to it though.
Well,
Yeah, you're right.
and you antagonized it, so why not? Lower, Jeff, lower. Inverted, Jeff, inverted. Buck, 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 buck. The wind will hold you. Look at
Wow. There is.
Can't you hear it? Woo, woo. All right. Why not land over here?
I tried. That would have been bad. Yep, and bad.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Down here where I'm going to land. Right here on Larry's plane.
All right.